Hello fellow Cetus 2 owners. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can control the fan using a feature in App Studio 3 which allows you to set configuration for the special layer heights. This is the same technique that I used for creating the temperature tower. Originally, when I discovered that there is a way of turning off the fan using this G-code M42P14S0, I copied it, and in my model configuration I entered it in the script here in this line. I ran the job and I didn't see the fan stop, and I said, never mind, it is what it is. I didn't try to figure out why it didn't work until today. So looking at the TSG file, I can now say why it didn't work. The inserted code actually appeared in the TSG, but immediately following it is fan on. So this is fan off, fan on, or fan at full speed. So I didn't actually see it stop even though the code was inserted because I was using the wrong parameter in the script tab. By changing the parameter to layer start, I'm now able to see that the TSG code is properly generated. So we have the fan on, which is the default, and we now see fan off after fan on. So with this, I created the special heights, and let me just make this thing bigger so that you will be able to see where they are applied. So I created this special height, and this will, while this layer is being laid, the fan is not going to spin. It will be S0. In this height, the fan will be slower with a value of S63. This height, it will ramp up with a value of 127, and in this height it will be going faster with a value of 255, 384, and finally 511 at full speed. So if we go to the special height configuration, which is this gear, you'll see the script. I disabled this two, enabled layer start, and we'll now see M42P14S and whatever value from 0 to 511 that you want to enter. And by creating multiple special height configuration, we are able to control how the fan executes, rather how the fan spins. And thanks to Jack for the tip that he gave earlier in the forum, where he shared the values for the fan speed. The video after this is the actual print job, and you will see that in the lower layer the fan is not spinning, and it will ramp up in speed as the model is completed in its printing cycle. I have no way of determining the RPM or the CFM of the fan as it goes up the layers, but there is a subtle hint that it's actually ramping up in speed, as you will hear the difference in noise from the lower layers to the upper layers spinning at full speed. So that's it, and that's how we can control the fan of the Cetus 2 for different special layer heights.
you.